Hey everyone! Did you know that cleaning your makeup brushes can improve your skin health and enhance your makeup application? Yup, it's true. Let's find out how simple it can be. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to clean your makeup brushes at home using just shampoo. It's super easy and affordable for everyone, and trust me, your brushes will thank you. Okay, let's talk about something serious for a sec. Many people neglect cleaning their makeup brushes, and honestly, it can lead to a ton of problems. We're talking about a buildup of bacteria that can cause breakouts, and who needs that? Plus, dirty brushes can totally mess with your makeup application, making it look patchy and uneven. It's a common challenge faced by makeup users everywhere, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that today. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of cleaning your brushes using shampoo. First things first, you'll need a gentle shampoo, preferably one that's sulfate-free. Start by wetting the bristles under lukewarm water. Be sure to hold the brush with the bristles facing down so the water doesn't get into the ferrule, which can loosen the glue over time. Then, take a small amount of shampoo and gently lather it into the bristles. Make sure to work it in well, but be gentle. Rinse and repeat until the water runs clear. And here's a pro tip, aim to clean your brushes every week to keep them in tip-top shape. Cleaning your makeup brushes not only helps remove dirt and bacteria but also improves your makeup application. Say goodbye to clogged bristles and hello to a flawless finish. Then, take a small amount of shampoo and gently lather it into the bristles. Make sure to work it in well, but be gentle. Rinse and repeat until the water runs clear. And here's a pro tip, aim to clean your brushes every week to keep them in tip-top shape. Alright, now for the most exciting part. Once you've cleaned and rinsed your brushes, lay them flat on a clean towel to dry. You won't believe your eyes when you see the transformation of those dirty brushes into clean, fluffy tools. It's honestly like magic, and you'll be so excited to use them for your next makeup look. To wrap up, we've covered the importance of cleaning your brushes regularly and how simple shampoo can do the job effectively. Not only does it enhance your skin health by reducing bacteria, but it also boosts your makeup performance. So, don't skip this crucial step in your beauty routine. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more beauty tips. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and I'll see you in the next video.